Hello everyone! So welcome back to our candle making space. My name is Charlie and this is... What's your name? Sorry. Zoe! Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I mix and match colors in order to create the perfect hues to match my customer's request. So if you are ready, then let's go dive into the magic of color mixing. So, ayan, nakikita nyo, fully melted na. So, here comes the challenge now. Kailangan natin ma-achieve yung sage green. Okay? So, magme-mix ako ng green. Oops. Some black. I will add some yellow-green. And some yellow green. So, kailangan mo na siyang ilagay the moment na kinuha mo siya dun sa pinaglutuan mo para ma-melt pa yung mga crayons. So, ayan. So, nakikita nyo. And meron akong dito wax paper na maliit. Ito yung gagamitin kong pang sample. So, ayan. If you can see, medyo dark green na siya. We have to make sure na yung mga crayons na nilaglag natin kanina is na-melt na talaga siya. So, kung nakikita nyo, green na siya. Dark green. So, we'll check if ito na ba yung right color. So, ganito ako pag nag-sample. Gawin ko lang yan. Papatuyuin ko yan. Oh. I think hindi pa siya talaga yung olive green. So, para pa siyang less green pa siya. So, magdadagdag ako ng green crayons. And yung darkness niya parang hindi pa sakto. So, I'm going to add black color. So, meron akong ginawang sample last night ng sage green and this is it. Pero yung ginamit ko dito is the soft wax kasi hindi pa dumating yung stocks ko. So, ito yung gagawin nating basis. Okay? So, ito. Tignan natin if this is okay na. So, actually, yung ganito, parang malapit na din naman siya. This one. But we'll try this. Patuyuin ko lang siya sa gilid. So, eto siya. Ito. Eto. So, eto talaga siya, guys. This one. Parang ganito talaga yung kailangan natin ma-achieve. Okay? So, yung second natin, parang tama naman din siya. So, I think okay na ito. We'll do another sample here. Mag-sample ulit tayo here. Ayan. So, I think na-achieve na natin yung sage green color. So, now, tignan nyo guys, it's the right green. Okay. So, kakulay lang naman niya ito. Mga color palette ng sage green. So now guys, I'm going to show you the result of our color mixing earlier. So it was sage green and this is the result. So achieve naman. This is sage green colored peony. I Can you see it? Yes, that one. Okay. So that's it. You just have to start with the very light one and make your way to whatever color you like. You want it to be darker, and don't forget to use your wax paper as your sample. Please always do make small batches, and when you create sample, please let it dry, because I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's still not dried yet. So look, it's like a green grass, right? But when it dried, it looks like this one. Okay, so make sure when you test it, do not settle your testing process of not getting your sample dried first before deciding that, yeah, this is the right one. You need to wait until it is fully dried to get the right color that you wanted, because when you test it when it's still wet or it's still hot, you can never see the right color. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this, guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.